In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome back. In this video, we will explain how to exchange or reissue an issued NDC ticket in Amadeus. Exchanging or reissuing an NDC ticket is a visual process conducted entirely in graphical mode. It is important to remember one key rule. An exchange applies to all passengers in the PNR. You cannot exchange just one traveler unless you split the order first. You can retrieve a booking file or PNR using either traditional cryptic mode or graphical mode. Once retrieved, the booking file will open in graphical mode. Here, you can see the NDC tag alongside the booking details. You will find the ticket arrangement, TKOK, and the date, April 6, 2026, indicating the documents were issued on that date. This section also displays the reservation number, the NDC order ID, the Amadeus record locator, and the airline record locators. In the e-ticket and EMD section, click the issued e-ticket number hyperlink. You can see that both coupons currently show a status of open for use. Now, let's exit the e-ticket record and return to the booking file. Before starting the reissue process, it is highly recommended to review the penalty rules for issued ticket. In the Products section, click the Full Fare Conditions hyperlink. Here, you can see the outbound fare basis for Abu Dhabi to Washington. Click the Penalty option to view the specific charges. Repeat this for the inbound journey from Washington back to Abu Dhabi to understand the applicable fees. In the Products section, you can either click the Exchange hyperlink or use the drop-down menu next to the Confirmed status and select Exchange. This will direct you to the NDC Exchange page. Please take a moment to review the warning message displayed here. Now, select the flights you wish to modify. In our case, we are keeping the same origin and destination but changing the dates to May 22, 2026 for the outbound flight and June 30, 2026 for the inbound. Click Search. By default, the results are sorted by price difference. You will see the total additional amount to collect for the new dates and routing. Click the price box or the basket icon to review the new itinerary and pricing information. Note the 30-minute timer. The reissue process must be completed within this window. Click the Details per Passenger hyperlink to see the breakdown of the total amount, including taxes and penalties. Review the full fare conditions for the new fare basis to see the updated penalty rules. And check the full baggage information. Once satisfied, click the Select Flight button. This returns you to the NDC Exchange page for a final verification. Carefully review the new itinerary, the price difference, and any penalty fees. You will see a comparison between the original ticket price and the new itinerary price. Review the full fare conditions for the new fare basis. Once confirmed, you are ready to finalize the payment for the reissue. The system defaults to the payment method used for the original ticket, in this case, cash. You may switch to credit card if necessary, but we will keep it as cash. Click the Reissue button to proceed. A green confirmation message will appear. NDC content was paid and reissued. In the e-ticket and EMD section, you will now see the new ticket number issued on April 7, 2026. You can click the ticket number to view the new e-ticket details. Click Cryptic Display to view the updated PNR in the traditional format. You can also retrieve on Command page. In our next video, we will show you how to refund issued NDC documents in Amadeus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.